Hey John, how's it going? Today is going pretty good. Yep, we locked in a Tradeify payout and um gonna take a $535 daily payout on take profit. So pretty good. I think the Tradeify, I think I can take out a grand. So not a bad day. Now I'm just working on this evaluation here. Leaving the fundeds alone for the afternoon, but yeah, the daily payouts are nice. Yeah, they're sweet. If you can get there. You only have Apex and Beelanox? Yeah. I got both of those too. Up nicely on the Beelanox today. Up 1,000 on the 3 master accounts. Um, not good for the consistency, but that's alright, because these were in big time drawdowns, so. But I've never gotten a payout from Beelanox. I haven't traded them too much, but so market had a big rug pull here up at the 21,820 area. You just got funded with Beelanox? Nice, very nice. Yeah, Beelanox is it's great. I mean, their website's not the best, obviously, but I don't know, they just kind of stay under the radar. They don't get into any controversy or anything, and I don't know. Just about everyone I know gets payouts from them, no problems. Hey J Money, what's happening? Yeah, I'm snowed in, man. I'm snowed in, so I might. Yeah, it's snowing like heck right now. Yeah. Yeah, it's really coming down now. Oops, I don't want to trade that. That pro account. Yeah, putting in the time, J Money. I know, I'm so upset about Sunday though, because I was supposed to travel. I was supposed to go up to Waterville, which is not that far, but I mean, I'm not afraid to drive in the snow. It's just nowadays, if I don't have to, then I don't. But yeah, I was supposed to go up to Waterville for a Super Bowl party, but market's putting in a little bit of a bear flag here. I am working on this My Funded Future evaluation right now. See this bear flag here on the 5-minute. Hop in long here. See if it pushes up towards the highs of this little range here. It's just an evaluation, so I do trade them pretty aggressively. In case you're new. Funded accounts are looking very nice today, so I'll widen out my stop here. So how's everyone else doing today? I wasn't even going to stream at all, but then we got this market dump, and then I was like, yeah, all right, we got some movement. Because this afternoon was looking pretty bleak. Had some copy trader issues, yeah. What do you use, John King, for a platform? Yeah, we caught some nice trades this morning. I don't know if you were with us, but we caught 80 points in the Dow, and a nice 20 point. Caught this candle right here. Caught the short right here for a nice 20 points. Got out of that. But yeah, I caught a nice 80 point win in MYM actually. I used the micros, but yeah, which copy trader are you using? There's a little push there. Looks like it wants to. Simple trade copier? Huh. So you're using NinjaTrader, or are you using Quantower or something like that? I gotta get a new streaming light. This light is like so bright. It's crazy. It's a old shop light for like a garage. Kind of using what I got, guys. $30 microphone, webcam, and a probably like a $10 shop light. This trade right here, I'm looking, basically, I'm just taking a break of this inside bar mystery. No, but I'm not really looking at supply and demand. I'm more of like a bar by bar on the 5-minute type of trader. Not a very good risk to reward on this trade, but I don't generally care about risk to reward that much. Because sometimes I'll add to the winners and then also move my stop pretty quickly. Let's see if we can get a nice little push here to 67.50. Nice little 10-point scalp here if we can get it. Just wants to stall out. I'll move the stop up just a bit, just under the previous candle. There's a little push there. Oh, come on. There it is. There's a little 10-point scalp there. But yeah, basically, putting in a bit of a bear flag here and kind of bouncing off this this trend line here, and I just took the long above that inside bar. And I was targeting basically above this candle here. And it seems like it's going to go test the VWAP now, so. But yeah, that was a theory behind that trade. So up 726 on this valuation. Got it back to starting point after hitting DLL on it, I don't know, the other day. So. See how it reacts around VWAP here. A little nervous to try to fade Oh, got a nice rejection off 780 to fade this. I don't know what this candle was. I don't know if it was news or if it was just NASDAQ being NASDAQ. I don't see anything red highlighted under the news, so. But yeah, mystery, I mean, I like to keep it pretty simple. My thing is, like, if I get caught up in like this mess right here, this is what can really destroy me. I get caught up in like this choppy mess. Been experimenting with this methodical man strat too. So we'll see. Day traders code? Is that the new one, Black Beauty Machine? Oh, day trade. I really appreciate it. I don't know what it is. How's it going, Black Beauty Machine? Oh, okay, day traders. Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't signed up for them yet. Oh, I appreciate it. I appreciate it though. I'll look into it though. But yeah, no, I'm not signed up for them. Appreciate that though. I'll have to research the day traders. So here we go. Kind of looking at this methodical man strat here. We'll see how it goes. Theory is if it keeps pushing up here, then we look for a touch of the 9. And then basically that will be our entry. Oh, is it Black Beauty Machine? That's funny. I see Patrick Whelan like pushing them pretty hard, so that's hilarious. He's getting payouts, big payout from Apex, and now he's getting the Leo money too, huh? That's funny. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at it a little bit later. Because I actually was talking to someone like, because I'm so limited on the affiliates because I'm a small YouTuber, that I'm pretty much stuck with Bulenox, Tradeify, and Apex, and which kind of sucks. Considering like My Funded Futures, this is one of my favorites. But Tradeify might be one of my favorites too, because we're gonna look to get a payout on them today. Should be a nice $1,000. So I might try this touch of the 9. If it can keep pushing up higher here. Excuse me. Push it up above the VWAP now. Our exit, we missed out on quite a few points, but it looks like it might try to take back that giant dump candle. Oh, thanks, John. Yeah, we'll see. I heard they pay out super quick too, like my funded futures. So after the market closes today, I should be able to request a payout. Get some of my tuition back. Probably pretty much all of it with a $1,000 payout. I don't think I've spent that much with Tradeify. But yeah, if you guys do want to use Tradeify, you have to use my link and then use the default Tradeify code. So like this month right now it's Feb, F-E-B. And all Tradeify accounts, straight to funded, advanced, growth accounts are 30% off. So appreciate that. And if you guys do, just let me know in the chat, because I don't think I'm getting proper credit for it. So I appreciate it if you guys just let me know. Don't have to, but if you do, much appreciated. Look at the bottom of the hour here in 5 minutes. I'm actually gonna look for a 9 touch. It's on an eval, just kind of trying it. It's a little methodical man strat. Pushing up above the VWAP here. Wants to keep pushing. I feel it. I think it wants to at least come up to above the 800s. Just trying to get in on a little pullback. It's not wanting to pull back at all right now. But what's nice about Tradeify is that Brett actually finally reached out to me and asked me if I was all set with my link. So hopefully, I think my YouTube channel is getting a little attention, which is pretty nice. If Brett actually reached out to me. He's the CEO of Tradeify, so. Still waiting for a pullback here. It's not looking like it wants to. But we're just trailing it up. This is according to the rules. We're looking for the first touch of the 9. I need to watch Methodical Man, how he actually trades it more, to see if he actually moves it or what he does. I think he moves it with the 9. He said he was going to do some back testing with it too. I don't like that it's the bottom of the hour for a retest, but so I think I only need like one more day and I can take a My Funded Future payout. One more day of over 100. We brought this count back from nothing. We took 2 payouts from it this month. So 2 $1,200 payouts, so. Oh, John King, that would be awesome. Yeah, that. I wonder if Quantower allows you to do that. Maybe that's what he does. I tried to use Ninja Trader way back. I couldn't. I just always use Tradeovate and Quantower. So I just stuck with them. But people love their Ninja. So we're just gonna kind of get in a slow grind up now. Just looking for that 9 touch. See if we can get tagged in here. Probably will get tagged in with the bottom of the hour here. I'm just gonna do a 10-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. The way it's moving though, I might just do the 6-point, but I don't know. We'll see how it reacts. I feel like we could take out the 800s, so if we get tagged in here, I do like it. Still above the VWAP as well. Our order is kind of like resting right on the VWAP, so just can't get tagged in though. There's the 800s. Dang it. So pretty much did exactly what I was thinking. We just couldn't get filled. Went to rate to $7.99.75. Yeah, I appreciate everyone stopping in. Yeah, we're having a snowstorm right now, so I figured why not? Let's hop on. I wanted to go to the gym, but maybe if it stops snowing, I'll still head to the gym later today. I think they're calling for like 6 inches. Nothing big, but then they're calling for a bigger one on Sunday. But we're getting about 1 inch an hour right now. So it's really coming down. Just can't get that in. I gotta plow, John King. My driveway's too big. I actually do have a really nice snowblower though. Yeah, I got the biggest one that they sell, but I don't use it at this house. So yeah, My driveway's too long. I mean, I could snow blow it. It just would suck. I actually bought a snow plow. I bought a brand new Boss V plow and ended up just giving it to my father, and he plows my driveway. So what a deal. So we tagged in there, looking for a quick 10 points. This is a little methodical man strat that we're testing out. So still in the trial stages. 10-point stop as well. I was really hoping to get tagged in a little bit sooner down in here to head for the 800s, but we didn't get it. So, but we are tagged in now. So hopefully the VWAP holds, and yeah, we'll see. Eval only, guys. Eval only. Nice little 5-point pop there. Hopefully 800s don't become too much of a resistance and we can pop through it. Sometimes he only takes 6 points on it, so kind of watching that idea. There's the 6 points. Got out right there for 6 points. Now it's gonna pop, of course. So yeah, that was cool. We took very little drawdown on that too, on that entry. Got an immediate pop. And took it for 6 points. So a nice little quick little scalp there. So our TP for 10 points was 802. Looks like we're gonna get it. Okay, we would have got the full 10 points there. But so up 841 on this eval. Now now the rules say that you're supposed to wait for it to kind of do it again. Come back down below and then cross back over and look for another retest. But if we're truly bullish, I know he sometimes likes to do retouches of the 9 all the way up, so which you could do, I guess. Just pulling back down here. Still above the VWAP. Continuing the grind higher. We got the murder bot coming up pretty soon. About 12 minutes or so. So how you guys doing today? You guys green or what? If anyone has any questions about me or my strategy or whatever, feel free. Just kind of waiting for another setup now. Kind of just slow grinding higher. Took 2 trades, both longs. One here on the break of the inside bar. Scalped out 10 points. And then we took another trade here on the 9 EMA retouch. Got out for like 6 points. Probably should have held for the full 10, but yeah, we're just kind of scalping along here this afternoon. Not looking for any huge moves. But we're above the 21,800 now. Continuing to push. Hey Dylan, so this one right here is a strat that Methodical Man just started working on. So basically you have the 3 EMAs here. You got the 9, the 21, and the 50. And you're basically looking for a crossover of the 9. So like we're pretty bearish here. We came down and then we got the crossover here. And then we were just looking for the first touch for 10 points. And yesterday on stream, if you watch the Power Hour stream from yesterday, Methodical Man was on this channel talking about it with me. So he was in the chat and we were trading it together. So it's just something I'm trying to add to my arsenal, especially when you start getting, you know, when it starts doing this float up stuff. It's just a good way to get in on a little mini pullback for a scalp, and that's exactly what we did. So, but yeah, appreciate the question. John's green. So these 3 Buellanox accounts are... We took big DLL when I first got them. And yeah, they kind of been cursed a bit. This one is above the starting balance now, the master accounts. So I will get a payout from Buellanox. I've gotten a payout from every major prop firm except Buellanox. It used to be Take Profit Trader, because I didn't even trade Buellanox, but I'm gonna get my payout. I'm coming for my tuition, my Buellanox tuition. Hey Sid, how's it going? Dogecoin? I can't even trade cryptos in state of Maine really, so I don't really look at that stuff. But I heard that there was a bunch of headlines on Doge earlier. But you day trade crypto, Sid? Or do you just invest? So market's continuing to grind higher, above the 800s now, above the VWAP, taking back that whole afternoon dumpage, just like the NASDAQ does, fakes everyone out. We stayed pretty safe, so I'm happy about that. Actually started making some good money. Made some nice trades this morning, and then I started to try to trade some of this stuff, and then almost got myself in trouble. You used to invest, but trading is the way to go. Yeah, for sure. Do you trade futures too, or just crypto, Sid? Dylan, yeah. I buy. I just invest in like ETFs and stuff. Not financial advice, by the way, guys. Disclaimer. But yeah, I invest in just ETFs. Things like that for long term. I'm in like JEPQ, like JEPQ. O. SCHD. And PNNT. So yeah, these are like my long-term stuff. Yeah, Dylan, because I'm not a financial advisor. And so we're dealing with it's just checks and balances and things like that people put like in my description I put that is entertainment only, not financial advice, things like that, because it's really not. It's just stuff that this is just stuff that I'm doing, so I'm not trying to advise any of you guys to do any of this stuff. So yeah, you just have to do that kind of stuff for the YouTubes. If I was a financial advisor as a career or something, it'd be different, but yeah. No stocks? Yeah. So yeah, my dividend stocks right now, or dividend ETFs and stuff, they pay pretty good. It's a good little monthly income for me. Making right around $1,200-1,300 a month on my dividends alone. So it's a nice little source of income. And what I do is I usually just take my payouts and stuff and pay my bills, and then I just reinvest it. I was going over it today, guys. I have 13 out of the last 14 months I've gotten a payout. The month of November screwed me because of fast track trading. They rug pulled me. I would have got a payout then too, so I would have had 14 months in a row with a prop payout. But they screwed me. So they didn't really screw me because I ended up getting a payout from them. Quite large one actually. Close to $18,000. So they definitely didn't really owe me anything, but I was due for another $12,000 before they rug pulled. So yeah, it sucks. So yeah, Dylan, yeah, I'm a Yep, yeah, Sid. So yeah, that's pretty much like all my money, Dylan. So I don't really copy trade much, Andrew. I usually copy trade within the different prop firms. So like Bulenox, I have 3 master accounts. I'll copy trade those. And my funded futures, if I have 3 funded accounts, which usually I do, then I'll copy trade those. And then the Apex group, I'll copy trade those. If that makes sense. I don't copy trade them all at once. So if I have like 10 Apex accounts, I'll copy trade all those. But right now I have 6 Apexes for funded accounts. I have 6 Apex accounts, 3 Tradeifys, 3 Bulenox, 1 my funded futures. Sometimes I forget. My personal account. So yeah, it's plenty right now. Hey Wooden Bell, what's happening? But yeah, Dylan, I mean, I worked for the post office for 15 years, and then had worked, did construction, and while I was working for the post office, I ended up investing in a bunch of properties, like really piece of shit houses that were falling over, and I would fix them up on the nights and weekends because I'm a carpenter as well, and then I would rent them out, and then I got sick of renting them, and then I ended up just selling them. So that's how I ended up getting a pretty good chunk of change. Took 10 years off my life doing that stuff, but but yeah, that's how I ended up getting a pretty good chunk of change. Back then I was buying houses that no one wanted, basically for like 25, 30,000 bucks. Now you can't buy a used vehicle for 30,000. Wow, look at that NASDAQ. It's just completely unbelievable. Right back to the very top of the range here. The Murderbot just came out. Testing that initial balance high now, bouncing off it. Made a nice, came right down. The initial balance low, wicked below it, got bought right back up. And now it's right back at its highs. Pretty crazy. Yeah, I wish Sid, I got no luck when it comes to that stuff. Plus, I'm not as good looking as the Hawk Tua. How you doing, Wooden Bell? How you doing today? But yeah, that's pretty crazy that Hawk Tua girl, she made a lot of money with the 5 minutes of fame there. But, you know, I'm not looking to make tons of money anyway. I mean, I keep my living expenses super low. I built my own house. That's a huge thing. I built my own house, and so it's mortgage free, and I don't have any other debt. I drive a used Toyota Corolla, you know, because I don't even care about cars as long as it's reliable and gets me to where I want to be. So, yeah, so that's how I'm able to trade full time, basically. Yeah, we're just rejecting that initial balance high. Be curious if we ended up breaking through it. I don't really see a reason why we would break through it. I don't know if anyone else has any targets up above. It's kind of just looking, I don't know. That'd be interesting if we just reject here and come back down. Got a nice little start again on this my funded future account. Got some of that back. Currently up 1,000 on each one of the master accounts. Those accounts were in pretty big drawdown, so it's nice to get these back to basically starting balance and a little more. My funded futures. My funded futures is up. Oh, I'm looking at my funded futures. Oh yeah, at 841 on the eval, $100 on the funded account here. And then guys, take profit trader, $535 daily payout coming to me today. So that's gonna put us about $1,100, maybe a little more, for daily payouts just this week. So yeah, pretty stoked about that. Andrew, do I use TradeEvade to copy Ninja? Nope. Oh yeah, I use TradeEvade to copy trade. So I don't have my Tradeify. We're also getting a Tradeify. I forgot to mention my Tradeify accounts. Those are the ones we were trading on stream this morning. I'm gonna get my first Tradeify payout tonight, which is pretty awesome. Should be about $1,000, so we should have about $1,500 payout tonight total. So yeah, that beats a week's worth of delivering mail in the snow. Look at that rocket ship above the initial balance high now, pushing up through the highs. Wow, it's just relentless. There it goes. To answer your question, Andrew, I copy trade with TradeEvade with these, and then I use Quantower on my Apex accounts to copy trade. Good point. Good point, Andrew. We do have Amazon earnings tonight, too, after the bell, so... But yeah, I just use this as a copy trader, which I don't love. I mean, it works fine, but I hate that you can't use the ATM bracket strategies, which I like to use. I like to have them all in, so you have to manually put them in, which is not a big deal, but yeah. Oh, I'm in the middle of the woods, Sid. I don't have that big of a lot, though. Only 2 acres. But yeah, I'm in the middle of the woods. I have a long driveway. So I live up here in Maine, so I can't really see my neighbors until the leaves fall. Now I can see my neighbors, which I don't like, but... But actually, Sid, you can watch... Hey, actually, if you guys want to know a little bit about me, I'll put a little video. Some of you guys have already seen this, but I did a little vlog style video. Kind of like where I live and stuff. Just don't stalk me, please. But I am lock and loaded, so... Because I do live in Maine, and everyone's lock and loaded. So that's a little vlog video I did the other day. Now, I'm not no videographer, so it was just something new that I was trying out. So yeah, that's just a little video. If you guys want to check that out later or whatever that I did. Just blasting up through here. Good market closing here in a few minutes. Anyways, yeah, I got these Tradeify accounts up 167, 160 bucks this morning. Copy trading them. Actually traded these live this morning, and we got this account right here, this 25K straight to funded account, over the buffer, and I'm 99.9% sure I'm under the consistency now. So yeah, so I'm gonna take out the max payout, which is $1,000. Pay myself back for those accounts. Didn't make any trades on the personal account today just because I felt like, I don't know, I made 500 on the Take Profit Pro account, so I can withdraw that tonight. So I don't really feel the need to trade the personal account. There's no sense of risking my own capital for that. Yeah, so the straight to funded is, let's look at it. So straight to funded, I use the 25Ks just because I'm cheap and I can get the payout quicker, but you don't get much of a trailing drawdown. And the other thing you got to watch out for is the 20% consistency, so you got to keep that. So your highest day can't be over the 20%, and trade it for a minimum of 10 days. It's end of day. This actually really helps me, guys. I can only max trade one mini. Now for some, they might not like that, but for me, that keeps me from tilting out too bad. And with a consistency account, I like to basically just do a base hit, 1 to 3 trades a day, and then be done. And so, yeah, that's the straight to funded on Tradeify. And I'll show you guys the payout policy real quick. All right, straight to funded payout policy. No profit splits up to 15,000 bucks. Got to stay within that 20% rule, which, you know, if you're making 100 to 300 bucks a day, you're fine. On a 25K, you have to get it up to 1,500 bucks, so 26,500. So that's the buffer, and then you can withdraw 1,000 bucks. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. And if you guys are interested in the straight to funded Tradeify, you can use my link in the description. There's the Amazon earnings. So Amazon earnings likes to come out 401. Absolutely, John King. You're not wrong. One mini is plenty. Nope, not going to trade it right now. But yeah, the earnings just came out. So Amazon earnings, according to someone in the chat earlier, comes out at 401. And so yeah, so it's 401. There's the Amazon earnings. Take it wasn't too good. But anyways, yeah, so if you guys are interested in Tradeify straight to funded, use my link in the description. And then use code FEB, F-E-B, and everything right now from the advanced growth and straight to funded is 30% off. And it's free to use my code, and it helps support my channel. So appreciate that, guys. Just pulling up Amazon here. Kind of curious here what's going on here. Let me see. AMZN. There we go. Pull out the daily today, 5. Yeah, big dumpage on Amazon. Amazon's currently down 5% right now. Continuing to dump, which doesn't look good for the NASDAQ. I'm gonna make my camera a little bit smaller too. Kind of shrunk my camera a little bit so it's not taking up so much of the screen. Hey Vince, what's happening, man? So this is Amazon earnings mystery. Amazon's a big part of the NASDAQ, so... But yeah, it's a pretty wild afternoon, no doubt. I mean... That's the thing about NQ mysteries, that... It can just do wild things like that. But how's it going today, Vince? How was your trading day? We had a pretty sweet trading day, actually. I did a little bit of over trading, I felt, in the afternoon. Started to catch myself get caught up in the chop a bit. So right back up to the highs here. Oh, I don't know, Sid. I don't know. I'm not... I showed you what I've invested in, but... Because what I invested in pays dividends, and they pay... If you research, like... Like JetQ and things like that, those pay dividends, but I don't know. I'm not qualified to to tell you, Sid. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. That's my biggest investments right now, and then of course my house. But right now it's definitely tough for people to find real estate stuff that is affordable. It's unbelievable. My sister's paying like crazy amount of money for rent. It's just like, and she rents a little apartment over someone's garage, and up here in Maine, and I mean it's like $1,300 a month. And to some of you that's probably not a lot, but up here that's crazy. I used to rent whole houses for $500-600 for a whole house. Yes, it. Yeah, there's always that, man. I'm not married, so. Oh, sorry to hear that, Vince, man. Sorry to hear about the take profit trader. It's all good. 860,000, John King. Wow. Where do you live, John King? What state? If you don't mind saying. And you have to fix it up? Holy moly. If you bought an 860K in Maine, I bet it could buy... Just gonna do something real quick. That's a pretty nice crib for $824. Oh, New Jersey, yeah. Yeah, for sure, yeah. Yeah, that's... I don't know how you do it, John. Hey, Kid Poker, how's it going, man? It's good to see you. Yeah, we're just hanging out for a bit here. We just watched the Amazon earnings melt faces off. How'd you do today, Kid Poker? But yeah, I hear about people buying like, $1 million homes and stuff in other states, and like you said, they're like fixer uppers, and I'm like, ah, jeez. But we're so not like up here. It's changed a lot. Like before, like an $800,000 house, you could have a mansion on the ocean, oceanfront property, But now things have changed up here as well. Things have gotten a lot more expensive. 25K property tax. Dang, you got high roller over here. Holy moly, 25K property tax. I don't even want to tell you what my property tax is. And I got a decent home. I built it myself, so I'm quite proud of it. With some help with family and stuff, but oh yeah, my property tax is like 3,500. Your PA is 62 days old, Kid Poker. Nice work, man. That's something to be said right there, Kid Poker. 62 days holding onto a funded account. That's actually that's pretty sweet, man. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's something to be said. I don't know if I've held one over 2 months like that, Kid Poker. I'm trying to think back. Maybe with Apex back when they were delaying payouts and stuff, like way back in the summer. But that's probably the only reason why. Oh, nice. Good for you, man. I'm staying out of New Jersey. I like going down to. I've never been. Well, I've been to New Jersey, but nothing. I haven't really visited there. I've been to the New York City, but went down there to eat pizza, basically. Hey, you went to high school with John King? You probably did. Either that or John King might be a very common name. I don't know. Yes, Vince, I believe so. Yep. I believe after 30 days of $200, I believe you can take the max. You can take out all your money. You're from Jersey too, Darwin? Where's everyone from? Put in where you're from in the chat, guys. If you want to. If you don't, I'm from Maine. I can kind of see it on my demographics on my YouTubes, and we get people from all over the place. Boston, all right, Beantown, go Pats. Long Beach, Idaho. Never been to Idaho. I've never been to Cali either. I really want to go to California. just once in my life. But Boston, I'm in Boston all the time. Not all the time, but for sporting events and concerts. Take the train from Brunswick straight to the Boston Garden. You used to live near Boston, so then you moved out to Long Beach, huh? That's quite the journey, Vince. Last year at this time I was down in Florida snowbirding, but all right, Kid Poker, take it easy, man. Good luck on getting that payout, man. Just keep them stop losses in place. Good to see you, man. Oh, yeah. Yep. So you moved out there with the parents, yeah. But you can't beat the weather, though. California, that's for sure. All right, guys, I'm going to call it there. Really nice stream. Really appreciate everyone stopping in. Made a few good trades on stream. I'm going to post them in the comments if you guys are new to the channel. Go back to my live streams. I always pin the trades in the comments. I try to if I have time. So, but yeah, I'm going to do that as soon as I get off stream. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your night, guys. I'll be back on tomorrow morning. Market open if you want to hang out. And yeah, appreciate you guys using my codes. Beelnox Apex, use code PINE. Tradeify, use my link. Code FEB, as in February. Appreciate it, guys. Smash a like on your way out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, thanks, Izette. See you later, guys.